ready to turn that American Express gift card into the Apple gadget of your dreams. Let's dive right into how to make it happen, whether you're shopping online or hitting up your local Apple store. First, let's tackle online shopping. Head over to Apple.com and browse for the product you've been eyeing. Once you've found that perfect iPhone case or those new AirPods, add it to your bag and proceed to checkout. On the payment screen, you'll see several options, but you won't see American Express gift card listed directly. That's because you need to treat it like a regular credit card. Enter the gift card number, expiration date, and the security code, just as you would a regular Amex card. If the purchase amount exceeds the value on your gift card, don't worry. You can usually split the payment. Simply use the gift card for the initial amount and then pay the remaining balance with another credit card or debit card. Prefer the in-store experience? No problem. Head to your local Apple store and select your items. When you're at the register, just inform the Apple specialist that you'd like to use an American Express gift card to make your purchase. They'll swipe the card or manually enter the details just like online. If your purchase exceeds the gift card balance, you can pay the difference with another method. Simple as that. And that's all there is to it. Using your American Express gift card at the Apple Store is straightforward. Whether you're online or in person now, go ahead and treat yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy shopping!